The Garden of Dreams, inspired by the stories mentioned in The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, lived a young woman named Lily. She worked tirelessly at a job that offered her little joy. Every day, she yearned for something more fulfilling, but didn't know how to make that dream a reality. One day, Lily stumbled upon a mysterious book, The Secret, and discovered the law of attraction within its pages. She learned that by focusing on her desires and cultivating a positive mindset, she could manifest the life she always wanted. Lily created a magical garden in her mind, where each flower represented an aspect of her dream job. Every morning, she tended to her garden, watering the flowers with her thoughts and positive energy. She expressed gratitude for the opportunities she already had, even though they weren't perfect. As days turned into weeks, Lily's life began to change. One day, while tending to her mental garden, she discovered a job opening that matched her dreams. She applied, and to her amazement, she got the job. Moral of the story: cultivate your mental garden with positive thoughts and gratitude, and watch your dreams blossom into reality.